This question came up during my office hour, and I actually misadvised some students on this, so I wanted to take a second and go to the textbook and sort of give a better explanation. Just for starters, sometimes during my office hour when I get asked questions point blank, sometimes I know the answer, sometimes whatever. Sometimes I go with the best information I have in front of me. Sometimes I just misunderstand what the question is. So I do apologize for those that got this one wrong. And if you will email me, I'll look that up and I'll make it right in your eyes. Anyway, so the question reads, which of the following represents 4 square miles? So let me go to the textbook for a second. And this is the part of the textbook. It's on, you guys can't see this. I can't see this. It is on page, where's the page number? 73. It's on page 73. Sorry, took me a second to find it. And here's where they're talking about what a square mile means, and then what one does about that. Okay. So here they're talking about area of a room, and they refer to this in dimensions. And they're saying that the word square implies the second power, meaning when we talk about feet squared, we're talking about square footage, square feet. So what we're looking for are the sides of a square. Now in this case we don't have a square, we have a rectangle, but 10 feet by 12 feet, multiply 10 and 12 and I get 120 square feet. So going back to our question, which of the following represents 4 square miles? Okay, so the miles being squared, I need an area that would guarantee a length times width to give me 4. So looking at this, a line of small squares that is 4 miles long, well, I need sort of a length and a width. I don't know how many squares they're talking about. If it's a 4 by 1, sure, but again, that's sort of unknown. A square with 2 miles on each side. So if I kind of go back to this picture here, imagine that says 2 and that says 2. Well, that actually would give us an area of 4. And then the last choice, the last choice is a square of 4 miles on a side. So again, coming back over here to the textbook, if it was 4 on one side, the other side would have to say 1, because a 1 times 4 would give us 4. But the way they describe this, they actually say the word square. So because it's a square, that means the length and the width have to match. So it's either 2 on each side or 4 on each side. Well, 4 by 4 would give us 16 square miles, and 2 by 2 would give us 4 square miles. So that's what they were trying to get you to think with this, is they wanted you to recognize that it's 2 square miles on a side. So hopefully that helps.